Hi, this is Shashank from Fratado School of Music, and this is Rolling Sessions. Today I'll be teaching you the chords of a very popular and loved song called Cold Mess by Prateek Kuhad. This song was a major hit with the audience, and even Barack Obama in his tweet mentioned Cold Mess as one of his favorite music. So, are you all excited? Let's get started.
The original key of this song is in B major. However, we are going to transpose the one step below, that is A major. This song has only three chords: A major open chord, D major open chord, E major open chord. Now intro contains only A major, which repeats 4 times. Let's look at the picking pattern going on for the intro. Here are the notes. Let me show you how to clap the rhythm. Ready, steady, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, now let me show you how to play the intro. Ready, steady, here we go. Okay, now let's move on to verse. And we will add second chord to it, D major. As the rhythm goes the same as intro throughout the verse, let me show you how to play it. Ready, steady, here we go. Alright, now let's talk about the chorus, the soul of the song. Guess what? We will going to add another chord, E major open chord. And instead of picking, we will do strumming. It will be E major, D major, and then A major. Let me show you how to play this. Ready, steady, here we go. Okay, now let me play you the song until chorus. Hope you all enjoy. When I feel cold, I keep you close. If I could hold you and take you home, and when at night your doors touch mine, I'll sing you to sleep. If you were mine to keep, I wish I could leave you, my love, but my heart is a mess. My days they begin with your name and nights end with your breath. I wish I could leave you, my love, but my heart is a mess. My days they begin with your name and nights end with your breath.